Have you ever had a day where you're so focused on what you're doing that when you suddenly look up, hours have gone by without you noticing? The minute hand and the hour hand have been making these small, incremental movements that you didn't even see happening, but suddenly, your day is gone.
Our daughter Logan means the world to her father and me. I can't believe how quick she's grown up. Lately, I've noticed Logan has been stressed out, getting used to her first year of high school and worrying about making the school's volleyball team. We wanted to help her, so we found Bobby, who's a well-respected strength trainer, and was willing to help her with her conditioning. Bobby came recommended from other parents and works with many kids like Logan.
Working out with Bobby has been great. He really helps me out with my training, and I feel like I have a good shot at making the volleyball team because of him. Plus, he's super nice, makes me laugh, and always wants to help me out. Today, he even offered to give me a ride home because my mom was running late to pick me up. Her new job makes her late all the time, and it's so annoying.
I understand the type of girl Logan is, how she thinks, and the situation she's in. She seems stressed. Her family seems stressed. I see how busy her family is and their need for help. Giving her a ride home is my opportunity to spend one-on-one time with her.
Getting to know Bobby outside of training is fun. He listens to all my problems at school and is super easy to talk to. I feel like I'm boring him, but he's always interested in what I'm talking about. He also tells me he sees a lot of potential in me. This is a big deal because he works with some really good athletes at my school. He even tells me he can give me a ride every day after training to help me and my family out.
Driving her home after our workouts makes it easy. I ask her about her family problems, and she tells me that her dad is sick and her mom is having a hard time supporting the family. I make sure to listen and to give her the attention she wants. I also make sure to tell her how special she is and that we have a connection.
Bobby isn't like other adults. He tells me he really gets along with me and that we have a special connection. I agree. Sometimes we stop and get a snack on the way home, as long as I don't tell my mom because it'll ruin my dinner. I must be special because he's so generous with me. When I told him my mom couldn't replace my broken phone, he actually gave me a new one as long as I didn't tell my parents. He told me if they ever found out, I would have to give it back and he could get in trouble.
Bobby is a godsend. Logan really enjoys her workouts with him, and my husband and I are so grateful for him for giving her a ride home after every practice. With everything happening to our family recently, he's been such a blessing.
Texting with Logan and keeping it a secret is just what I need. We text all the time, and I know she relies on me now. I get her gifts and things she wants as long as she promises to keep it a secret. I keep telling her that what we have is very special and to keep everything between us because people wouldn't understand.
I feel so special to be Bobby's favorite. After practice, he's been showing me how important it is to stretch after working out. He shows me how to really stretch out my arms and legs. He's been doing more massages on me lately to keep my muscles loose. Recently, the massages are starting to get a little weird though. He touches around my thigh, which makes me super uncomfortable. But then he just laughs at me and tells me to trust him and not to make a big deal about it. I'm not sure what to do. Am I overreacting? Is it just me? He's acting so normal about it. I don't know what to say or what to do. I'm so confused and things are getting out of control. I want to talk to my mom, but I can't. Bobby told me if I ever said anything, he would get into a lot of trouble and could even go to jail. He made me feel ungrateful for all the things he's done for me and my family. He said I'm just as much to blame since I took all those gifts. I don't know what to do. I want to tell someone, but why would anyone believe me over him?
Grooming is the slow, intentional, and methodical process of gaining a victim's and his or her family's trust, and manipulating them to the point where they can be victimized. No one is immune to grooming. Be aware of the signs and know that it can happen to anyone.